Every modern factory begins long before the first machine arrive, inside a virtual world where every process can be tested before reality begins. Before construction crews arrive, engineers first build the entire factory in a virtual environment. Inside this facility, engineers recreate entire manufacturing operations before physical equipment is installed. Every conveyor, robot, workstation, and workflow is planned and perfected digitally. What happens here determine how efficiently a real factory will perform for years to come. The first step is capturing every physical detail of the factory environment. See the variance on Sector 4. We need to recalibrate the scanner array.
Agreed. Let's rerun the diagnostics before proceeding.
Every structural detail has now been transformed into precise engineering data. With the factory fully captured, engineers can now build its digital twin. Engineers begin transforming billions of captured measurements into a complete virtual representation of the factory. The current layout shows a potential collision at Node 7.
Let's adjust the conveyor speed in the simulation and retest the sequence.
If we optimize the conveyor speed here, we increase throughput by 12%.
Rerun the simulation with the new parameters and confirm the structural stability. This layout here, we need to ensure the equipment path is clear.
Yes, let me run the conflict detection. It clears.
The building now exists digitally, allowing engineers to test every future production scenario.
Next, every machine is recreated digitally to behave exactly like its future physical counterpart.
The calibration sequence looks good on the y-axis.
Agreed. We should initiate the stress test now.
The current pathing for the blue bins is inefficient at this junction. If we adjust the convergence timing, we gain 15% throughput.
We're seeing a discrepancy in the sensor data here. Yeah?
The simulation doesn't show that anomaly. Rerun the sequence.
Once every machine is accurately represented, the entire factory can be tested before construction even begins. Production simulation allows engineers to evaluate factory performance before a single physical process begins. The throughput on line 3 is still lagging. Adjust the robotic arm calibration here. That stabilized the flow. Let's run the stress test.
Release. If we move this assembly line over here, we reduce the bottleneck by 10%.
But what about the timing sequence for the
Check the data streams from the digital twin. The bottleneck is still showing at the injection molding stage.
Agreed. Let's adjust the parameters and rerun the validation sequence.
Engineers can now identify problems months before physical construction begins.
Optimization ensures that every future production process operates at maximum efficiency.
If we optimize the labor allocation here, we gain 3% efficiency.
Run the simulation again to confirm the impact on the digital twin.
The optimization cycles have clearly paid off. Look at the throughput metrics here.
Yes, this confirms the improved performance across the board.
By perfecting the workflow digitally, manufacturers can dramatically reduce cost, risk, and downtime before the factory is ever built. The digital twin integration improved the workflow by 15%.
That data aligns perfectly with the readiness program goals.
Before the real factory opens, future operators learn every procedure inside the digital twin. Alarm active on the main control unit, engaging the lockout tag and shutting down power. Confirm all personnel clear of the area.
The readiness metrics on the digital twin are stabilizing.
Yes, the procedural accuracy has improved by 15% this quarter.
We should validate that against the simulation data.
Skilled operators can now enter the future factory, already familiar with every process and procedure.
Before approval, the digital twin must survive conditions far beyond normal factory operations. Look at the thermal output on the slave unit. It exceeds the threshold under these conditions.
Reorganization. Yes, the digital twin
Before approval, every aspect of the factory must meet strict performance and reliability standards. The holographic display clearly shows the bottleneck in stage 3.
I see that. The validation equipment confirms it.
Validation results are confirmed. We are ready for deployment. The stress metrics look good.
Approved. Proceed with the rollout. The result is a factory designed, tested, optimized, and approved before construction ever begins.
What began as data has become a complete manufacturing ecosystem ready for reality. Long before products are made, success is engineered inside digital environments like this. By building factories first in the digital world, manufacturers can create safer, smarter, and more efficient production systems for the future.